Welcome to a journey through the cosmos, where we'll uncover the incredible story of how the elements forged in the hearts of stars became the building blocks of life on Earth. Prepare to have your perception of the universe and your place within it forever changed. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, we are all connected in a cosmic dance that has been playing out for billions of years. We'll trace this cosmic narrative back to its explosive beginnings, exploring the awe-inspiring phenomena that gave rise to the very atoms that make up our bodies. Get ready to explore the mind-blowing reality that we are, quite literally, stardust. Before we were born, before Earth even existed, there were stars. Not just any stars, but massive, fiery giants churning away in the vast expanse of space. These stars were the behemoths of the cosmos, their sheer size and energy output dwarfing anything we can imagine. These stars were cosmic furnaces, their immense gravity crushing atoms together in their cores. The temperatures and pressures at their centers were so extreme that they could force atoms to merge. This process, called nuclear fusion, is the very engine of the cosmos. It's the same process that powers our sun, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth. It's the process that powers our sun, bathing our planet in light and warmth. Without it, our world would be a cold, dark place, devoid of life. But in these ancient stars, something even more profound was happening. They were not just creating light and heat, they were forging the very elements that make up the universe. Deep within their fiery hearts, hydrogen atoms, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe, were being fused into helium. This was the first step in a cosmic alchemy that would create all the elements we know. Then helium into carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen. These elements are the building blocks of life, essential for the formation of planets, oceans, and living organisms. These are the very elements that would one day become the building blocks of life. Without them, the universe would be a vastly different place, perhaps devoid of the complexity and beauty we see today. But the story doesn't end there. The life cycle of these massive stars was far from over. As these massive stars aged, their cores became choked with heavier and heavier elements. Each stage of fusion created new elements, building up to the heaviest ones. Iron, the final element a star can create through fusion, began to accumulate. This marked the beginning of the end for these stellar giants. And then, the inevitable happened. The star, no longer able to support its own weight, collapsed in on itself, triggering a cataclysmic explosion of unimaginable power, a supernova. The star, no longer able to support its own weight, collapsed in on itself, triggering a cataclysmic explosion of unimaginable power, a supernova. This explosion was so powerful that it outshone entire galaxies for a brief moment. These supernovae, the most powerful explosions in the universe, scattered the star's newly forged elements across the cosmos. The debris from these explosions seeded the universe with the raw materials for new stars and planets. Like seeds on a cosmic wind, these elements drifted through space for millions, even billions of years. They traveled vast distances, carried by the currents of interstellar space. But their journey wasn't over. These elements would eventually find new homes, coalescing into new celestial bodies. These stardust particles, remnants of long-dead stars, would eventually coalesce, drawn together by gravity, to form new stars, planets, and even, eventually, us. This cycle of birth, death, and rebirth is the essence of the universe. Think about that for a moment. The atoms in your body have traveled across the universe, through time and space, to become part of you. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, it all was forged in the heart of a dying star, billions of years ago. This connection to the cosmos is a reminder of our place in the universe. We are, each and every one of us, made of stardust. This realization binds us to the stars, to the universe, and to each other in a profound and beautiful way. Let's bring this cosmic perspective a little closer to home. Look at your hand. What you see is not just a simple appendage, but a marvel of cosmic engineering. It's not just flesh and bone you see, but a living, breathing testament to the universe's grand history. Each cell, each molecule tells a story that spans billions of years. Every atom in your body, from the iron in your blood to the calcium in your bones, was once part of a star. These atoms were forged in the intense heat and pressure of stellar cores. In fact, about 99% of the mass of your body is made up of just 6 elements: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus. These elements are the building blocks of life, each playing a crucial role in the complex machinery of your body. Think about that. The vast majority of your being is composed of elements that were forged in the hearts of stars, scattered across the cosmos in supernova, and then, through a series of extraordinary events, came together to form you. This cosmic journey is nothing short of miraculous. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? To realize that we are not separate from the universe, but intimately connected to it. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, is a reminder of this profound connection. We are, in a very real sense, the universe becoming aware of itself. Our consciousness is a reflection of the cosmos, a way for the universe to understand and explore its own existence. Consider the hydrogen in your body, the most abundant element in the universe. This element is a fundamental part of who we are. It was created in the Big Bang, the very event that brought our universe into existence. The hydrogen atoms in your body have been around since the dawn of time. Or the oxygen you breathe, produced in the cores of massive stars. This oxygen is essential for life, fueling the processes that keep us alive. Without those stars and their explosive deaths, we wouldn't be here. The supernovae scattered these vital elements across the universe, seeding the clouds of gas and dust that would eventually form new stars and planets. And then there's carbon, the backbone of all life as we know it. This versatile element forms the complex molecules that make up our cells and tissues. Carbon, forged in the hearts of stars, forms the very scaffolding of our DNA, the blueprint of life itself. Our genetic code is written in the language of the stars. We are quite literally walking, talking collections of stardust. Every step we take is a journey through the cosmos. The universe is not something out there distant and separate from us. It is woven into the very fabric of our being. It's in us, it is us. We are the universe, contemplating itself, a beautiful and profound truth that connects us all. Now let's delve even deeper into this cosmic connection to the very origins of life on Earth. While the elements forged in stars provided the raw materials, it was the arrival of something extra, something from outer space, that may have sparked life as we know it. Enter meteorites, those celestial messengers from the depths of space. These rocky remnants of asteroids and comets have been bombarding Earth for billions of years, and they carry with them a fascinating secret. Locked within their ancient structures are organic molecules, the building blocks of life itself. Scientists have discovered amino acids, the fundamental components of proteins, within meteorites. These amino acids, different from those found naturally on Earth, suggest an extraterrestrial origin. Imagine that, the very molecules essential for life, delivered to our young planet aboard these cosmic couriers. It's a tantalizing clue to the origins of life, suggesting that the ingredients for life may be more common in the universe than we once thought. But the connection between meteorites and life goes even deeper. Scientists have also discovered nucleobases, the building blocks of DNA and RNA, within meteorites. These molecules, carrying the genetic code for life, may have played a crucial role in the emergence of life on Earth. It's a mind-boggling concept that the seeds of life itself may have been planted by these celestial wanderers. The next time you see a shooting star, remember, it's not just a beautiful sight. It's a reminder of our deep connection to the cosmos, and the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. So we've established that we are stardust, forged in the hearts of ancient stars. These stars, through their life cycles, created the elements that make up everything we see around us, including our own bodies. But is this cosmic connection a thing of the past, or are we still interacting with the cosmos in ways we might not even realize? Are we still absorbing the remnants of these ancient celestial events? The answer is a resounding yes. Our connection to the cosmos is ongoing and ever-present. Even today, our planet is bombarded by a constant rain of cosmic particles, tiny remnants of supernovae and other celestial events. These particles travel vast distances across the universe to reach us. These particles, known as cosmic rays, constantly shower Earth from all directions. They are high-energy particles that originate from outside our solar system. While most cosmic rays are blocked by our atmosphere, some are energetic enough to reach the surface. The atmosphere acts as a shield, but it can't stop everything. In fact, every square centimeter of Earth's surface is struck by about one cosmic ray every minute. This means that cosmic rays are a constant presence in our environment. These cosmic rays can interact with atoms in our atmosphere, creating a cascade of secondary particles that can reach the ground. This process is known as a particle shower. Some of these particles, like muons, are highly penetrating and can even pass through our bodies. Muons are created when cosmic rays collide with atoms in the upper atmosphere. But it's not just cosmic rays that connect us to the cosmos. There are other ways in which we are constantly interacting with the universe. Micrometeorites, tiny specks of space dust, also constantly rain down on our planet. These particles are so small that they often go unnoticed. These minuscule particles, often no larger than a grain of sand, are remnants of asteroids and comets. They are the leftovers of the early solar system. Every year, tons of micrometeorites fall to Earth, adding to our planet's mass. This continuous influx of material is a reminder of our planet's dynamic relationship with space. While most of this material lands in the oceans or uninhabited areas, some of it inevitably falls on us. We are literally being dusted by the cosmos. So yes, we are still absorbing stardust, albeit in minuscule amounts. This stardust becomes a part of us, integrating into our environment and our bodies. Every breath we take, every step we take brings us into contact with these cosmic particles. They are an invisible but constant presence in our lives. We are, in a very real sense, in constant communion with the universe. This connection is a beautiful reminder of our place in the cosmos, a testament to the fact that we are and always will be part of something much larger than ourselves. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Remember, the next time you look up at the stars, you're looking at the very essence of what makes us who we are. We are stardust, forged in the hearts of stars, and our story is inextricably intertwined with the grand narrative of the cosmos. As you go about your day, remember that you are a part of something much larger than yourself. You are a citizen of the cosmos, connected to every other living thing on this planet and every star in the vast expanse of space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations of the universe.